there has been a new exchange in FIFA Mobile that not a lot of people are talking about, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about that. That's a very good trick because you're gonna get extra UCL points and you're gonna get extra rewards pretty much for that. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So in the Shapeshifters event, if you go there, you will see that we've got the Shapeshifters pass, of course, and in here we are getting some tokens or some points like pass points. And a lot of people have been asking, what are these pass points for? It says used to exchange for program tokens, can be earned through Star Pass and other methods. So right now we can only get these with Star Pass, in Shapeshifter Star Pass, of course. But if you go ahead and claim it, we're gonna go ahead and check out where we can actually use that and how we can use that. So we've got 10 of them, as you can see right here. This is the Shapeshifter's password, and you're gonna be able to get 108 overall Veron for free, and also 110 overall George Best. If you go ahead and spend 1,000 FIFA points, it is, I think. Let's go and check. It is 1,000 FIFA points. If you go and spend 1,000 FIFA points, you will be able to get George Best as well. But if you go into the exchanges and if you go into UCL 22-23, you will see that we've actually got this exchange at the end right here. We can go ahead and do it 300 times, it says right here, and right here it says there is no limit. So what we're gonna get is we're gonna get UCL points pretty much. Now I don't know how many UCL points we're gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out right now, but I've got 10 of them. So I guess whichever event it is at this point, you're gonna get those points. Right now we've got the UCL event, so we are I guess gonna get extra UCL points. Let's go on and exchange it. If you didn't know about this as well, please make sure to like and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We've got 1 UCL point. Okay, so every single one of these pass points, we are actually gonna get 1 UCL points. That's not a lot. That's definitely not a lot. I expect a lot more, but I guess if you want to save them, you can go ahead and save your pass tokens for the next event, I think. And because it says you can use it for any program token, right? So when if you get some like team of the season event next, you can probably use it for team of the season points as well. So that's what I would suggest you to do with pass points at this point. It's not a lot of points that you're getting for those pass points. One pass point is 1 UCL point. So I wouldn't suggest you to go ahead and spend your pass points on these UCL points. I'm not sure 100% that it's gonna work for the next events as well, but I'm just basing it off what it says here. Used to exchange for program tokens. Right? Which means it doesn't say for UCL points. It just says for program tokens, which means I think we can use it for the later events as well. But it's not 100. I'm not 100% sure. But either way, I would suggest you to go ahead and save your pass points. You are not gonna get that many points either way, that many UCL points for that. So just save them and see what happens. Now I'm gonna go ahead and claim this. We go 1 and 5 here. 1 is bad, 5 is quite bad as well, to be honest. And I'm gonna claim my road to championship tickets as well. Let me go ahead and do that. How many points do I have? I've got 480 points. So I'm gonna go ahead and spend those points in here to hopefully go to the 6th cycle. I don't think it's gonna be enough. If I get 60 points back a couple of times, maybe I will be able to do it. We didn't get it this time. We got 102 overall. Hugo Eketike. Alright, this time we're gonna get 200,000 coins. So let's see if you're gonna get 60 points back as well. Nope, we did not get 60 points back here either. Let's see if we're gonna do it this time. 102 plus overall player pack. And hopefully 60 points back as well. Nope, no 60 points back. And we go 103 overall. Krunic from Milan. Yep, he is from Milan. Krunic. Then the next one is gonna be 200 skill boost. And once again, we've got a chance to get 300 or 600, no 660 points back. Let's see if we're gonna do it though. I'm not gonna reveal it. I want to skip at the end and see if I actually get it. Nope, it's number 1 at the end. This one then, 103 plus overall player pack. Hopefully I'm gonna pack a 105, but more, it's gonna be even better if we did get 60 points back. There we go then. And I packed 105 overall Lucas Moura as well. This was the best possible pack, I think. I mean, I couldn't even have got like road to the final card from here. So that was definitely the best pack I could pack. 105 overall as well as 60 points back. So now I'm 100% gonna be able to go to the 6th cycle. So that's nice. I thought we got 60 points back again because I saw two items, but both of them were different rank items, unfortunately. Right, we're gonna get coins this time, 300,000 coins, and I would have been able to complete that cycle even without getting that 60 points back. But we didn't get it this time either. We got UCL token. I'm gonna claim another player for that, of course. 60 points back here. Nope, we did get 101 overall. Theo from Milan as well. He plays for Milan. I didn't know he played for Milan. But let's go ahead and claim 109 overall Bernardo Silva. That's a good one. That's quite a good one. 109 overall. Obviously he was 108 overall, but he got upgraded because he's a road to the final card, and he got +1 upgrade because they beat Bayern Munich. 109 overall Bernardo Silva. Am I gonna play him? Probably no. He doesn't really look that great in game, by stats at least. But we'll see. I might try him out. I can't do anything here. If I can open some of these exchange packs, I'm gonna do it. I can't do this one. Alright then. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna get 103 plus overall player pack. And maybe I'm gonna do other exchanges as well. We're gonna open this one then. And we go 103 overall Jakic. Okay, I was hoping for a 105, of course, but it didn't happen. Right, do I have enough 103s? I do have enough 103s. Okay, I'm gonna open this one as well then. I can do it once. So we'll do it. We're gonna get a 106 plus overall player. We go, okay, I'll take it. 106 overall Mendy. I've got a couple of Ferland Mendy's already in my team that I invested in. I feel like he dropped down in price a little bit. When I bought him, he was lower than Remila, I'm pretty sure. But he has gone up. After that to like 4 million. Now he's 3 million again. That's a little bit annoying, but I think I'm gonna sell him quite soon. Right, for this one I can put. No, I'm not gonna do this one. I don't think I'm gonna do this one. I'm not gonna put. I would have put Cucurella and 2 Cucurellas there, and maybe Uribe and Mendy there as well. But I'm not gonna put some other ones because I can sell them. Right. Now can I do the next one though? 109 overall. Do I have enough 108s? I'm not sure. I do either. Nope, I don't. I can't do that either. And I can't do the 110 overall one either. I'm quite sure about that. And it's 6 109s. Nope. So let's go ahead and open the free packs that we go in the store for heroes, for shapeshifters, and we're gonna end the video right there. Right, hero pack first. I was hoping for a hero point, of course, or hero token. We didn't get it. We got skill boost. Here I'm hoping to get any player at all. I'll take any player, but we got skill boost again. Right, next one then. Oh, I can open this pack again. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna spend my points or gems on that. Right, UCL, UEL, and UECL, and I'm gonna end the video right there then. 20 training transfer items. Give me at least one player from UEL or UECL. I'll take it. It's not a lot, but no. Alright, training transfer items again, and from UECL it's probably gonna be training transfer items once again. Yep, it is. I did call it. Right then. This is gonna be the end of the video for today. Let me know what cycle you're at for Lampard. Most of you have probably completed it already. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.